Ever feel like your car gets confused about the weather or loses power when you drive up a mountain? That might be because it has lost its sense of atmospheric pressure. We are talking about code P222F, which stands for Barometric Pressure Sensor A and B Correlation. Your engine is basically a giant air pump, and to get the perfect explosion inside the cylinders, it needs a precise recipe of 14.7 parts air to 1 part fuel. To get this right, the engine control module needs to know how dense the air is outside. That is where the barometric pressure sensor comes in. Unlike the manifold absolute pressure sensor that measures pressure inside the engine, this one measures the ambient air pressure around the car. The code specifically mentions A and B correlation, which usually means your car has two sensors to double-check the readings, or it is comparing the barometric reading against another sensor to catch errors. When these two values do not match up, the computer does not know which one to trust, so it might panic and dump extra fuel to be safe, causing misfires, a strong smell of raw gas, and terrible fuel economy. This is moderately serious because if the fuel mixture is wrong for too long, you can damage your catalytic converter. To troubleshoot this, you need to find the sensor first. It can be tricky because manufacturers hide them in different spots. Once you find it, check the connector. Since these sit in the engine bay, heat and vibration can loosen the plug or melt the wiring insulation. I have seen plenty of these where a simple cleaning of the corroded pins fixed the issue. If the wiring looks solid, you will need a multimeter. You have to back probe the connector to see if the voltage coming out matches what the manufacturer says it should be for your current altitude. If the sensor is reading sea level pressure, but you are a mile high in the mountains, that sensor is toast and needs to be swapped out.